G'day guys, Ashy here. It's winter in New Zealand and I'm walking through deep snow and freezing temperatures to camp overnight at a backcountry hut. There's going to be stunning views and beautiful scenery, so come along and enjoy.
I don't know where we're going to go. We're going to have to figure it out. We've got road closures, we've got more road closures. Here's my thinking though, if the road to Manuka Hut doesn't get open, we can just go to Woolshed, because there's no way there'll be enough snow between Mount Summers and the start of the Woolshed track.
Yeah, that's the other option.
Right, we'll get some petrol in the car. The road currently is still closed.
Well, we made it to the car park. That's the key. Not many cars have come in, so snow is quite deep on the road. Wearing my snowboarding gear, figured I could use the waterproofness. It's not supposed to snow too much, but you just never know. Beautiful. This track is called Miner's Track because they used to mine coal, and this is how they used to get the coal down from the hill. Big like cart system, and it would just go all the way through the trees back there to the ground, but that was how they kept the angle not super steep. But yeah, it's a pretty fascinating part of the local history. Oh, it's hard work in the snow, and it's snowing again. Oh. So beautiful out here. Do we go look at the mine? Yeah. Do we have to push through there? Look how deep it is. Yeah. We've just stopped for a bit of a rest. Coming up the first tiny little climb. My toes are a little cold, but the rest of me is pretty warm. Looking forward to the rest of the walk. It's just so beautiful and so still. The snow really just, the great equalizer, just brings everything to quiet. So enjoying this time out here. It's beautiful. It's not as cold as I thought, so I'm glad about that. But yeah, happy days. We'll just have a little bit of food, a little bit of water, and keep walking. Buffed up. I'm looking buff. Ha ha ha. We've decided to avoid the four-wheel drive track and head up and over the mountain. The snow is now up to my midsection. It is very deep.
We're just going completely off the top of it.
This is beautiful. We're finally pushing through after battling waist deep snow.
bread. Honestly, might just eat half the bread, eat the other half the bread for breakfast so I can avoid eating the...
We made it.
The charger at home, and I was like, yeah, that's lost.
Yeah. Yep, that's gone. Nope, found it. Well, Woolshed Creek with the Christchurch Tramping Club.
Nice dining table.
Wow. We are warm and dry, thankfully.
You're doing like an affirmation.
Affirmation. We're warm and dry. We've made it. My left feet are freezing. They're a bit yellow. I think the circulation was a bit tight on my laces. Need to get the blood pumping, so just warming up and ready to chill out. It's a lively hut tonight, so yeah, should be good. So I was just putting some stuff away in my bag and I heard this horrific noise. And all of the snow fell off.
Oh no,
Oh, it's an insane amount of snow just coming straight off.
yeah, you can see it.
Right, cooking time. There we go. So what's for dinner, Max?
Mexican chili.
Radix Mexican chili.
It's not gonna be good.
What have I got? Meal ready to eat and some naan bread. Well, if you're feeling hungry, I've got some Mexican style rice you could have.
Oh yeah, go with the
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it'll all fit together perfectly. Great time to be an outdoor enthusiast when you go on a new trip and you have a new piece of gear. Today's piece of gear is the Evolved Supply Co. 1100mm pot titanium. Baptized by fire, literally. Gonna boil some water and see how it performs. It's got just everything about it is feature rich, like just makes sense. A spout, a vent, wooden handle, bales, and normal handles as well. And it fits on the MSR Pocket Rocket 2 perfectly. It's about 8:30 and it's freezing. It's probably about -4 I think at the moment. We just popped out to do our teeth. Oh man, the snow is packed up a bit, which is great. It's actually really nice, easier to walk on. But I think we're going to head to bed now. I think there's no point kind of staying around. Better get into our sleeping bags and yeah, we'll see you in the morning. Good morning. It is about 10 to 8 and it is a beautiful brisk Sunday morning here. But it's still about -4-ish, which is plenty cold enough. Had a great sleep. My sleep system worked awesome, which is always a bonus. So yeah, kept warm, even though I think someone left the door open. Ridiculous stuff, but I think we might just like have breakfast and then just like get going. I think just rather than dawdle around and yeah, take some photos on the way and yeah, enjoy it. It's really just magical, the amount of snow. I feel like everyone in Canada in the winter and that sort of thing, you see plenty of people on YouTube, you know, enjoying the outdoors. They're out there, the outdoor boys, you know, it's deep snow in Alaska, but this is like, you just never see it like this here. So yeah, this is awesome. Yeah, and it'll be less hard work walking back, man. We struggled yesterday walking, but there's a bit of a path, so we'll just follow that all the way back. And yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna head back, join Max, start making breakfast, and get ready for another day of walking.
It's hot though. Hot. I'll take it outside to cool it.
What flavour you got? Irish cream. Looks delicious. Right, we're looking a bit more bundled up today. Well, I am at least. Max looks the same, but it's it's much colder, so we'll make a start and get going. Make tracks.
Well, follow tracks.
Follow tracks that we gracefully laid yesterday.
Yeah, it was definitely all us.
Definitely us. It's beautiful up here. Man, I'm warm now. Protection against the sun is not fashionable, but it does the job. So beautiful out here.
Usually the track goes up that little ridge there that you can see, but a big group of 10 decided it'd be easier for them to just cut straight across.
The hut either, we know Christchurch Camping Club were after you.
Huh?
They didn't book the hut either, Christchurch Camping Club, only half of them did.
Not even half, I think only 2 of them booked the hut. Tramping club. Not respecting Doc's wishes.
Yeah, we've got to pay the fees for the upkeep. You got to.
Yeah, the wood. The wood, which kept us nice and warm last night. Anyways, they cut this nice track straight across. Just follow them in. Again. We're catching sight of some deer tracks. It's cool to see the animals moving. They must have moved this morning probably after being bedded down through the snow. The sun's coming out. It's beautiful. Oh, finally a little bit of warmth. Not that I'm actually cold, because you keep plenty warm while walking, but nice to have some light after not seeing the sun for a few days. Back at the mine. Yeah.
Picking out bits and getting it in here.
The wind is definitely the killer.
Exposure's the killer.
Exposure is the real enemy.
Recommendation and a rule.
A guideline.
Guideline. We're gonna have to pick up snows.
Yeah, we made it. Oh, good to be back. Oh, so icy now. Oh, there's snow around.
11:47.
It's 11:57. Look at that
Oh, we
thing.
made good time though. This is what we left it.
Yeah, which car should we take back? The Forester or the Mighty Surf? That thing is a beast. Phew! Whoa, slipping over. Right, let's see if the car will unlock. Yeah. Wow, what a trip. We've made it back successfully and we've had a great time.
Thank you so much for watching. It was a real pleasure to put that one together for you. Hope you enjoyed watching us struggle through the snow and back again with some pretty good photos, so I'm happy. Make sure you like, subscribe, and keep an eye out for your next video coming soon in a couple of weeks. It's going to be a good one. Catch you then.